welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soap Histories, and today we are talking about the new story and igama laso istory lesisisha bakithi Inimba, and ngicabanga ukuthi sizo replace ke iGqeberha the Empire kade ke kuumdlalo ke wesixhosa osuphelile ke bafaka ke just for temporarily babefake ke empini and naye befaka usizini 1 kuphela osuyaphela ke then ke basibeletha ke istory ke okuyisona ke so replace ke iGqeberha the Empire sesixhosa igama laso kuthiwa Inimba. I was just asking around to abantu abakhuluma isixhosa ukuthi ke yini kanti Inimba, because in Zulu we don't have that word, and bathe Inimba uthando lika mama nengane, that kind of a relationship between umama nomntwana. NgesiZulu ngicabanga ukuthi kuthiwa imsiko noma kuthiwa inseka, yabona mangabe umuntu eyoteta imsiko la abanayo kuye ukuthi mangabe noma ingane esikhulile athi phela mina ngineyinseka noma nginemsiko ingane yami le, yabona that kind of uthando, that kind of a bond or a relationship between umntwana nomama wakhe. So as you can tell guys, as you can see kule story ukuthi cha ngampela ikhona into ethi Inimba khona lapha njengoba ke sibona ke uzoleka kanye ke noqhawekazi ukuthi ke ikhona ke lento le in relationship yothando ke nomama. Well guys, bose ngathi abantu ke bayathakasela kakhulu ke lo mdlalo lapha ke einkundleni zokuxhumana ngokubuka ke izinto impela cha bayawuprefering abantu besebenze bathi ke akukhanseleni ithonga bakithi angazi ke ukuthi nithini, but ke guys bose ngathi impela cha kuza kahle impela ngazi ukuthi ubhalo ubani ke lo mdlalo lona guys. Kusasa ke noma today on Thursday on the 17th of April bathi ke Zoleka sudden return test family ties and reopen ama old wounds, forcing her to confront her to Belen past head on. Kwasethiwa ngo Friday ke uzoleka ke benoqhawe bazohlangana ke, and uthi ke ireaction kaQhawe ke izomangaza uzoleka ukuthi hawo lo mntwana lo engazi uthi kodwa ke guys uQhawe ke uyamthanda nje uzoleka, beside ukuthi uma wakhe umthanda njengokuthi umuntu o successful and uzibona ewuye ke naye. Engicanga ukuthi ke it won't be difficult for her to accept uzoleka as umama wakhe, and she learns a disturbing truth about uThumeka kanye ke noHlathi, forcing her to act and declare a war. Yeah guys, so ke kusazoshuba ke ngampela ke kulomdlalo. That brings us to the end of this video, and do leave your comment below and share with us ukuthi what do you think about this new story. Are you enjoying it? Are you looking forward to see how it will unfold as the time goes by? Bye.